Today, let's paint this egg. Now, I have it on my iPad. First, what I do is judge if I like how it's set up like this. Well, I think it is rather small in the frame, so I'm going to just make that a little bit bigger to make it a bit more pleasing of a composition. I'd say that excellent. Now, what we do see over here is that it's the darkest part. The light is coming from there. I always like to start with my darker values first. I have ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, yellow ochre. I still had some leftover cadmium yellow, so I just put it on there. I don't know if we'll end up using it, but it's there. And we have titanium white. Start with the yellow ochre, and we add burnt sienna to it. And burnt sienna basically is a warm red. But it's a very transparent color. And as you can see, the yellow ochre is quite dominant. So we need more of that burnt sienna. For a mid-tone, this might work quite well for this area. Darker colors, I've actually taken the burnt sienna and ultramarine blue and mixing them together, which kind of gives a very deep black. But as that's too deep, I'm adding some of this mixture into it as well. Have a yellow, a reddish, and ultramarine blue. You get a bit of more neutral tone. It's a bit grayed out, which actually might work well for the shadow here. Still, it's too cold for this part of the egg. Sienna, that mixture, warm it up a bit. That might do the trick. And I'm starting with my darker colors first, getting some basic shapes in there. Ochre, make a bit of a kind of light dull greenish background. So, what do? I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush and start working on my egg. Softer that edge. A different brush for that. This is where the cuts are going. It's more soft. It's a synthetic brush, by the way. Here you see that there's some white on the egg itself. That's no problem because we actually have this reflected light on the eggshell as well. I'm going over there very lightly and blending it